Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Musmule. I am the student of Breathing Institute. Today's topic is on respiratory system. The overview of the respiratory system. It is a vital biological system in human and many animals that facilitate the breathing. Its primary function is to exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and the environment, and it enabling the cellular respiration and energy production. So structure of the respiratory system. The structure of the respiratory system, first it is a nasal cavity and sinuses. It filter moistening and warm incoming air. These trap the dust and the microorganism using the mucus and cilia. Next, it is the pharynx. It means throat. It connect to the nasal cavity to the larynx. It is serves as a pathway for air and food. And then next it is a larynx. It is a voice box. It contain a vocal cord for a sound production, and it prevent food from uh, entering trachea and during swallowing. Next it is a trachea. It means windpipe. It is a tubular structure that conduct air to the lungs. Then line with cilia and mucus to trap the dust and pathogen. So next it is bronchi and bronchioles. So branches of the trachea that lead to the each lungs, and bronchioles are smaller tubes that deliver the air to the alveoli. Then next is to lungs. The pair of a spongy organ, and it is responsible for gas exchanges. So it contains a million of alveoli where the oxygen and carbon dioxide exchanges. So diaphragm and intercostal muscle. In the diaphragm is a dome shaped muscle, and it aid in the breathing. So then next intercostal muscle. Intercostal muscle between the ribs, and it assists in expanding and contracting the chest. So function of the respiratory system is first it is a gas exchanges. So in this oxygen is taken from the air and into the blood. So carbon dioxide waste product metabolism, and it is expelled out the body. So next it is a regulation of blood pH. In this maintain the pH balances and by regulating the CO2 level in a blood. Then next it is a protection. uh, in this mucus and cilia trap the harmful particles and microorganisms. It reflexes like coughing and sneezing the expel irritant. Next it is a voice production. Air passes through the larynx and vibrate the vocal cord and producing the sound. Next is olfaction. It means sense of smell. In nasal cavity, it contains a receptor for detecting the odor. Um, in this respiration process, there is inhalation. It means inspiration. So in this diaphragm contracted and move downward. In the chest cavity, it expand and creating a vacuum that drawn into the lungs. So next it is a gas exchange. Oxygen from inhaled air diffuses into the blood and in alveoli. Carbon dioxide from blood diffuses into alveoli to be exhaled. So next it is a exhalation. At this time, diaphragm relaxes and move upward. Air is pushed out as the chest cavity and decreases in size. There are many common respiratory disorder. First, it is asthma. In asthma, it is a chronic inflammation of airway and causing a difficulty in breathing. Next, it is chronic obstructive and pulmonary diseases. It means it is known as COPD. It include emphysema and chronic bronchitis, and it caused by smoking or pollution. Then next it is pneumonia. In pneumonia, in this infection causing the inflammation of the alveoli, which may fill with the fluid. Next it is tuberculosis, it also known as TB. Bacterial infection primarily affecting the lungs. Next it is lung cancer. In lung cancer, there is uncontrolled cell growth in lung tissue and often linked to the smoking. Then next it is COVID-19. It is a viral infection affecting the respiratory system and leading to system like coughing, fever, and breathing difficulties. It ways to maintain the healthy and respiratory system. Next it is avoid smoking. Reduces the risk of the lung diseases. First of all, exercise regularly, improve the lung capacity and efficacy. Next it is a healthy diet. The antioxidant rich food like help reduces the inflammation. And next it is stay hydrated. In this, keep a mucous membrane moist and effective. Next it is avoid a pollutant. In many, there is a limit of exposure to harmful chemical and air pollution. In this, there is a practice of good hygiene. It reduces the risk of the respiratory infection. Next is a regular checkup. In this, early detection of respiratory issues, and in this, improve the treatment. Then next it is the conclusion. At the end of the video, the conclusion of the respiratory system. The respiratory system, it is essential for life, facilitating oxygen supply and waste removal. Taking care of this system through the healthy habit and avoiding a harmful exposure, it is a critical for overall well-being. Thank you.